Tonight on Rescue 911, these true stories of dire consequences and daring sacrifices.
It was like, God, this is like the movies. It didn't seem real. I thought all these people there were going to get killed.
You talk to 1,000 people a week.
Okay, what did he do?
But then you get that one.
Please listen to me. What's your name? Christina! No! Get back in the eye!
I kept calling for him. He didn't listen to me. Chesterfield Emergency Service.
Is he breathing? You guys can do it now.
They're in good hands here.
Just blew by me, just like a bullet, and if it hits anything, it will disintegrate.
How old are you, Josh? 3.5. 3.5?
I thought my mom's gonna die. That's why I was crying. Mom, are you okay?
Whenever you try to give crash courses, you'll end up regretting it, and it's not worth the life.
This is 911. Do you have an emergency?
Chesterfield Emergency Service.
Is he breathing? You guys can do it now.
They're in good hands here.
On Rescue 911, these true stories of last chance efforts and rekindled dreams.
911, what is your emergency? I'm being attacked by killer bees! What? I'm being attacked by killer bees!
You think the worst, but 4 victims at the house. And I knew that it was a very bad scene.
I remember going around the peak of the hill. After that, I don't recall anything until waking up in the trauma unit.
Chesterfield Emergency Service.
Is he breathing? You guys can do it now.
They're in good hands here.
Rescue 911, these true stories of moments that change lives forever.
I told the boys, mind the rules, make sure you don't answer the phone or answer the door, and I'll be back in 20 minutes.
Your mama sick, honey?
Yes, and she's bleeding bad.
How old are you?
4.
Is there anybody else home with you and your mom?
Oh, it's just me and her.
I heard the whole conversation, and the thing that sent chills down my spine was when he said, "I'm here to solve your problems." Chesterfield Emergency Service.
Is he breathing? You guys can do it now.
They're in good hands here.
Tonight on Rescue 911, these true stories of danger and triumph.
He squatted down below me and held on to it, and I pushed it over. He caught his coat sleeve.
By the time I catch up to it, I was probably doing 80 miles an hour. I really wasn't expecting to find the driver alive, but I felt I've got to stop this car somehow.
I knew if I let go, then the air would have to go with me, and she wouldn't have anything.
Still emergency service.
Is he breathing? You guys can do it now.
Tonight on Rescue 911, these true stories of extreme adversity and overwhelming love.
He was basically at the end of his rope. There was no doubt that we were just moments from somebody dying.
We were looking at about 11 or 12 hours of labor without any progress. Given the cat had been in labor that long, we'd certainly worry about whether the kittens were alive or dead.
I still don't understand why he didn't do what we're trained to do, just borrow air from Cliff or myself.
Still emergency service.
Is he breathing? You guys can do it now.
Tonight on Rescue 911, these true stories of quick responses and kind hearts.
His lips are turning blue, and I thought he's dead. But how did he die? I almost wanted to think it was a joke, but I knew that he wasn't going to wake up.
When I saw Nicole's eyes, that's when I really thought that she wasn't going to live. And all I could think of was that God just couldn't do this twice to one person.
Still emergency service.
Is he breathing? You guys can do it now.
Tonight on Rescue 911, true stories of high risk and last resorts.
Those things are dangerous. They're not just toys out there. People can get hurt on them, even killed.
With each step I took, I got a little more scared. I was preparing myself to either have to take a life or for mine to be taken.
He had not been obeying what we call the rules of the road. If you turn suddenly in front of somebody, it's the same as doing that on a freeway. You could have a collision.
Still emergency service.
Is he breathing? You guys can do it now.
On Rescue 911, these true stories of immediate danger and uncertain tomorrows.
Stay on the phone. Don't hang up. You said they. How many of them? What? They're telling you to open the door.
If he finds out that she was on the phone with the cops, he's going to shoot both of them.
They got somebody by gunpoint. She was a little nervous at first to lay down and do this. I never did anything like body molds before. I think at this point she was pretty sure that everything was going to go okay.
It's really cold.
Not since birth.
Are you still talking?
Still emergency service.
can do it, man.